Hello, I am Samuel Boyne and you are welcome to this lesson. Today I will be teaching how to get a product done, with the UIUX process from the start to finish. The processes you go through, the steps you take, that's the workflow. So I've made it simple and aligned all of them. So and I've grouped them into phases. So with the first part, which is phase 1, you first understand the problem. In this video, we'll just be mentioning or talking about the phases, so we get to know what the things which are included. We'll dive deep when we go along in the next lesson. So let's continue. With the phase 1, you first understand the problem, and understanding the problem, that's we have project brief, the business goal, user research, you have the competitive audit. Then with the phase 2, you have the define. That's where you define your personas. You define the problem statement. You have the user journey map, your value proposition, and after we have the phase 3, which is the structure. You have I brought user flow here also. We have the information architecture, and with the phase 4, which is the design, we have paper wireframes, digital wireframes. We have our lo-fi prototype, and with the phase 5, you validate. We have the usability study, the first part of the usability study. That's why I made it number 1. Then you synthesize your findings, you iterate. Then the phase 6, we have that's the polish phase, high fidelity UI. This is where you convert your low fidelity into a high fidelity UI. You have the design system, and what you have the high fidelity prototype. So with the phase 7, you validate again. That's the second usability study comes here, accessibility review, final iteration. So I decided to add phase 8, which is portfolio. That's if you are just getting started in the UIUX part. So I just added a portfolio. So in each portfolio, you must have your case study, so that when clients come to your website, they get to know your thinking process before or in getting your work done. So we will dive deep into each term that I've mentioned here. Each step, each process here, we will dive deep in the coming lessons. Thank you for watching this video, and kindly subscribe if you found it helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.